Hello everybody, welcome. Today we are going to make one web page with PHP, CSS, JavaScript, and we are going to use jQuery library. The result of our work is going to look like this web page with title at the top side and with continents, with the top 5 countries by population, with question marks for the start, and when we click click here to see the population of each country, the population of each country appears, and when we click again, the question marks appears again. Let's start with work. For this project we are going to need Dreamweaver and WAM server, because we are working with PHP. WAM server you can download from web page wamserver.com. You can go and download, and you can download the version that you need, and after that we can start working on our project. We need to go in PC, C partition, then we need to go on the bank, www, and that is the place where we are going to place our project. We are going to make one folder with name array, and that is going to be our main folder. In that folder we are going to create one folder for CSS and one folder for JavaScript. In folder JavaScript we are going to place jQuery library, and we need to go on jQuery web page to download jQuery and download Anti-Press Development jQuery, and after that we are going to place that jQuery library into JavaScript folder. Now we can start our Dreamweaver, and we are going on site, new site. Site name is going to be array, and the local site folder is going to be PC, C partition, bump, www, and array. Select, save. Now we need to create our main file. We are going to click on PHP, and we are going to use HTML5, create, and we are going to save that file with name index. We need one CSS file, CSS, create, and save into CSS folder with name style sheet. Enter. And one more thing, we are going to need one JavaScript, create and save inside of JavaScript folder with name and that is whole structure of folders and files for this project. And now we can start working on our index page, index.php. We are going to add the title of this project to be array, and after the title we are going to include our style sheet, and that we can do with placing our file into that position, and the style sheet and the relation is made. Then we can start working on our body section. Inside of body section we are going to place first one title with name top 5 countries in Europe, Asia and North America by population. Then we are going to create one section, and inside of that section we are going to open our PHP tag and close, and to start working on our PHP code. First we are going to make one array for Europe, and first country by population is Russia. With 144,031,000 people. Second one is Germany with 81,276,000 people. The third one is Turkey with 78,240,000 people. Then it's France with 67,063,000 people, and the last one is United Kingdom with 65,081,276 people. Then we are going to create a second array with Asia, with name Asia. That is a variable that contain array, and first country by population in Asia is China. With 1,370,793,000 people. Then it's India with 1,299,499,000 people. Then it's Indonesia with 255,462,000 people. Then it's Pakistan and Bangladesh. Then we are going to create the array for North America. Variable that contain array. First country by population is United States. Then it's Mexico. The third one is Canada. Then it's Guatemala. And the last one is Cuba. After that, we are going to make a variable world is equal to array, and array is going to contain all the arrays that we already created. First is going to be Europe is equal to Europe. Then Asia is equal to Asia, and North America is equal to North America. After that, we are going to loop through our arrays and to list some information for each. World as continent equal to list. We are going to echo with ID equal to, but first we need to escape double quotes with ID title, and we are going to place inside that name continent, and then we need to close our H2 tag, and then we need to open our unordered list. After that, we are going to loop through that list and to display informations about country and about population of each country. And we are going to echo list item car, and then we are going to create one span with ID, then escape double quotes. ID is going to be population, and then the population, and then closing span. And one more thing, we are going to create one span more with ID equal to, then escape the ID, question, closing span, the closing opening tag, and then the closing span tag. And here we made a mistake. It needs to be like this. and then we are going to echo the closing UL tag. Then we need to include our jQuery library and JavaScript file for this project, and we are going to do that with script source is equal. First we need to include the jQuery library, and then we are going to include JavaScript folder and file. After we save our index.php, we need to start our WAMP server that we already downloaded and installed at the beginning. 2 times click, and when it becomes green, the WAMP server is ready for using. Then we need to go in our web browser and to enter this address, localhost/array. Array is a folder in our WAMP C partition, WAMP folder, www folder, and then it's our project folder, and slash our first file, first page, and that is index.php. Refresh, and that is our project at the beginning. One more thing, we forget to add the click button, and we are going to add now echo, and it's going to be h2 with id equal escape id, click, and closing h2 tag, and then we are going to place click here to see the population of each branches. Save and test again, and that is all about our first page, index page, and now we are going to code our JavaScript file. We already made a connection to our JavaScript file, and now we are going to code our JavaScript. We are going to start we are going to type all the code, and then we are going to explain all the code that we using. save, and now we can test. For the start there are question marks, and when you click the question marks disappear, and just the population of each country is shown, and when you click again the question marks appears again. Now we are going to explain our code, JavaScript code for this. For the start, span tag with ID population is going to be hidden. It's our number of people in each country, and the question marks, it means span with ID question, is going to be shown. This is our question marks, and when then we select H2 with ID click, and that is click here to see the population of each country's button, and on click the span with ID population is going to be shown with toggle, and the span with ID question is going to be hide with toggle 2, because the primary stage of the question is shown, and the primary, then with toggle we are going to hide that, and the primary stage of span with ID population was hidden, and with toggle we are going to show that tag. We are going to test again. When we click here to see the population of these countries, the population appears, and when we click again the question marks appears again. Now we are going to work on the look of our page, and we are going to make it nicer. We need to open our Dreamweaver and to open our style sheet, and inside style sheet we are going to add some style for body. It's going to be background color, it's going to be F60, and text align is going to be center. Then H1 is going to be font family Katana. Font size is going to be 30 pixels, and the color is going to be #323. Then UL tag for unordered list. List style is going to be none. That means that the bullet of each list item is going to disappear. Then font family is going to be Verdana again, and the color is going to be #333. Then we are going to add some style for our section, and first we need to add border 3 pixels, solid #333. Then border radius is going to be 15 pixels. Background color is going to be #FFC. Width is going to be 300 pixels. Padding is going to be 10 pixels. We are going to display inline block. Text align, we are going to add left, and box shadow we are going to add 3 pixels, 10 pixels, and #333. Then we are going to add some style for H2, H2 is going to be font family Verdana, font size 17 pixels, text transform, it's going to be uppercase, and we are going to add some text shadow, 1 pixel, 0, 0, 0. And some style for H2 with ID click is going to be cursor pointer, and text align is going to be center. Save that, and this is all about our style sheet for this project. We can refresh now page, and the title is centered. Then the section part is centered too. It's displayed inline block. Because of that function we can center our section. Then the button with the name, click here to see the population of each countries. That is H2 with ID click. There is added cursor with pointer, and when we hover over that button, the pointer appears, and the text is centered too. Then the bullets of list items are disappeared because we done list style none. And one more thing, all text in section part is floated to the left side, and after we click here to see the population of each country, the population appears, and then click again, the question marks appears, and the population number of the population disappears. It's all about this project. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.